In the Mediterranean region, intensive agriculture provides food to millions of people. However, such agricultural practices threaten the quality of our natural resources, including arable land and freshwater. An example of this is the production of olive oil, also known as liquid gold. Olive oil is indeed a traditional product of the Mediterranean basin, with enormous benefits for human health and an exquisite taste. However, the olive oil production chain generates organic residues that must be managed correctly to prevent environmental impacts. Approximately 200 liters of virgin olive oil are produced per ton of olives, while over half a ton ends up as olive pomace. As a result, more than 30 million cubic meters of olive pomace per year are generated in the Mediterranean region. Between 6 and 11 million cubic meters only in Spain, the largest olive oil producer in the world. Here is a unique opportunity for a paradigm shift, to start seeing those materials as potential resources.
In 2021, we've launched the 4BIOLIVE project together with different universities and research centers from the Mediterranean region. And during these 3 years, we have been investigating the extraction of byproducts from olive pomace, specifically biostimulants, biofertilizers, biopolymers, and biogas. The first 3 of them can be applied in agriculture for increasing crop productivity, specifically under stress conditions due to climate change, while biogas is a renewable energy source which has been promoted in many European countries. For instance, here in Spain and in Catalonia, we have as examples the Catalan biogas strategy and the Spanish biogas roadmap.
Our role in the project is to recover the biogas after the extraction of valuable compounds from olive pomace by our project partners. According to our results, the extraction of those compounds not only allows for the production of biostimulants and other bioproducts, but also improves the production of biogas. However, olive pomace should better be co-digested with complementary substrates, for instance pig slurries. Indeed, we have analyzed the generation all over Catalonia and we have identified some hotspots in the southern part where both olive pomace and pig slurries are generated in large amounts. The good thing of biogas production is that it can be implemented at the end of the process in a biorefinery approach, and this strategy may be applied to other agroindustrial sectors. The 4BIOLIVE project represents an innovative example to recover bioproducts and bioenergy from materials that are still regarded as waste.
The circular economy involves reducing wastes to the minimum. It is the basis for building the agriculture and food of the future, more sustainable, more resilient, and more circular.